Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Tuesday as the NASDAQ reached a record high. Shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, retailing, and tech hardware and equipment sectors trading higher, while shares in household and personal products, automobiles and components, and consumer services, they ended in the red. On the economic front, the Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index jumping to 113.70 in December from 109 the previous month. Also, the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index increasing to 8 in December. All this adds advancers ahead of decliners. 73% of SP500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, KKR and Company negotiating the purchase of Hitachi's power tools unit, Hitachi Koki Company, and Abbott Laboratories. They have approved to proceed with its proposed $25 billion acquisition of medical device maker St. Jude Medical Incorporated. This announced by the U.S. FTC. Turning overseas now, the Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.01%, the Hang Seng up 0.83%. China CSI 300 down 0.44%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.87%. European markets are trading flat, and U.S. futures calling for an opening start. Now, in terms of expectations today, there are no major earnings expected, but on the economic front, 10 o'clock this morning sees November pending home sales figures, while over in the markets, the SP 500 supported by a rising trend line. The relative strength index bullish and calling for further upside, so long positions above 2261 are favored, with targets at 2267 and 2269.50 in extension. The NASDAQ, meanwhile, moving towards 49.94, preferring long positions above 49.59, and the Dow Jones supported by a rising trend line, preferring long positions above 19,875.